there, Michelle from the Junk Journal Studio. I am here today to do a flip through of set 1 of the 38 Distressed Horizontal Everyday Words series. And set 1 are with backgrounds with a vintage yellow sort of undertone to them. There's 8 colors and 4 sizes, bonus stamps, labels, and tabs, and it comes to 64 pages. Turquoise and beautiful stamps. I really like how they turned out. All the words are outlined, so that's nice. If you have a scan and cut, they'll cut out really nicely. And as you can see, there's lots of really great words that you can use throughout the entire year. We have beautiful and hope, happiness, journey, memories, lovely, believe, blessed. Yeah. That was the small I just showed you. This is the medium, which is 2 pages. And then we have the large, which is 4 pages. Look at these beautiful tabs and labels. Super pretty. Really love that background. And then we have the red tiny, beautiful red floral stamp. There's the small, medium is 2 pages, and large is 4 pages, starts here. With some pretty red labels and tabs. Then we have purple, beautiful faux stamps, small, medium, and large. With some very beautiful labels and tabs. Then we have the pink border, beautiful rose stamps. That's the tiny, this is small. Large. And beautiful labels and tabs again. Green. Lovely stamps. Small. Large. And some really pretty tabs and labels again. Blue. And some super pretty labels and tabs. And then we have no background, so this one's really great for printing on tea stain paper, scrapbook paper, mixed media papers, whatever you have. And once printed, because there's no background in behind the words, they'll just print out on the color that you've chosen. So that's really awesome. It creates lots of versatility. And then we have some super pretty sunflower stamps. And then some tabs and some labels. And then we have black border again, but this time with the yellow background, or I should say yellowed background, and some really awesome mushroom stamps. And then some really awesome tabs and labels again. And I also want to bring in, just so that you can see the difference, where Oh, I thought I set it aside. Sorry, bear with me for a moment here. I just want to show you the difference in color between set 1 and set 2. Actually, let me grab it from here. Sorry, I thought I had it out and I just don't see it now, which is odd. But, okay, we'll just use this one. So, this set 1 is with the vintage yellow sort of undertones. And this is set 2, and it's the creamy vintage undertones. And so you can see here the difference. It's really hard to see on screen, so I thought this might be helpful. So yeah, this is set 1. We just did a flip through, and this is set 2. So that is it. 64 total pages, lots of great bonus stamps, labels, tabs, everyday words, awesome digital, if I do say so myself. You can find the listing in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.